In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio on Windows, laptop or PC. So for it, you just need to go to any browser and in the browser search for Visual Studio, then press enter. And here you can see visualstudio.microsoft.com. So you need to click here and it will take you to this page, and I will also give this link in the description. Just check it out. After coming here, you will see this button, get free download. So at the top, you will also see this download button. If I now click on this, here you will see this option. Here you can see community free download, and there you can see professional and enterprise. So community version is completely free. It is open source. So we need to download this one. So we are going to click here free download, and there you can see it will start downloading a exe file. There you can see, and it is done. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file. So I will just double click here, then it will show you something like this, Visual Studio installer. So we need to click here continue, and it will download some necessary files and packages, and when it's done, it will start installing Visual Studio. So when it's done, it will show you a few options over here. So at the bottom, you will see this option, total space required 1.27 GB. So if we select any of those options, it will increase the size over here. So it will depend on for which purpose you are installing Visual Studio. So let's say if you are installing Visual Studio for Python development, then you need to choose Python. And here you will also see that the size increased over here. And if you are installing this for Node.js, you can select this one as well, and here you can see the size increased. So Visual Studio is most of the time is installed for C# project or ASP.NET project. So I want to install Visual Studio Code for .NET project. So I'm going to select this, and it will select a lot of things over here. So we are going to select this on .NET development. It will select a lot of things over here. Do not uncheck anything. Just go down, and here you can see install option. So you need to click on install, and you need to make sure that in the C type you have this amount of space left. So I'm going to click here install, and it will start installing and downloading some files and packages from internet. Then it will start installing those packages. So this will take some time since it is around more than 7 GB. So right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see it is done. So right now I am going to click on launch. So here you can see sign in to Visual Studio. So we can sign in using GitHub, or we can also create a account as well. So I'm just going to skip this part for now. So I'm just going to click here, skip and add account later. So you can choose whether you want dark theme or light theme. So I'm going to choose the dark theme, then click here start Visual Studio. So there you can see Visual Studio 2026. So I'm just going to click here continue without code. And there you can see, so this is how the interface look. There you can see. So I'm going to click on file, then click here new project solution. So I'm going to choose console app, then click on next, and you can give it a project name. So I'll just keep the name over here, or you can say here first project. Click here next, then click here create. I can see creating project, and it created a simple hello world project over here, as you can see. So in order to run this, we just need to click here, and there you can see it is printed over here hello world. So yeah, this is how you can install Visual Studio on Windows. I hope this was useful.